Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial we are going to talk about how you can install MySQL 8.0.36 server and Workbench latest version on Windows 10 or 11. The process for Windows 10 is also the similar for Windows 11. So without wasting any more of our time, let's get started. First of all, search for MySQL on Google. Click on the first link you will see over here. After that, once you end up over here, at the top you will find downloads option. Click on this and scroll down until you see MySQL community downloads. Once you click on that and you will end up over here. At the bottom you will find installer for Windows. Click on this one, select the version. Obviously this is the latest version which we were talking about, and we have the operating system and we have two download option. We are going with the second one, even though it shows 32-bit, but it is also work with 64-bit Windows. So no worries, you just need to click on download at the right, and after that they will ask for to create an account, and if you don't want to do that, just click on this option. Once you click on that, the download will be started, and let's wait for a while for 285 MB. So once it's downloaded, as you can see at the top right corner, just click on this option, click on run. After that, this will pop up. Here you just need to click on custom so we can see what we are going to download. Click on next, and here you just need to click on this one, open this up. And as you can see over here, this is 64-bit, like I said this before, and you need to click on this arrow that this is what we are going to install. Go for the application as well. Go to Workbench, which also we wanted, right? Click on this, and as you can see, this is 64-bit as well. Click on this, so we can tell the installer that what we want to install, right? After that, the last one would be MySQL shell. Click on this one again here and this one. These three we are going to download, as you can see at the right. Click on next, click on execute, wait for a while until it's done. Once it's done, you can see something like this. Click on next again, and leave it all as it is. You don't need to change anything. Click on next again, next, and here you are going to write your admin password and obviously the repeated password. So this is what I'm going to do right now. Once you create your password, click on next, and after that make sure to click on this one, yes, grant full access to the user. After that, again click on next and execute. Once it's done, click on finish, and once you click on finish, you will see that it will open up the Workbench. Wait for a while, and here we are. So this is the Workbench, and if I click on this one, you need to enter the password. Once you enter the password, you will end up in your MySQL Workbench. As you can see, that's it. This is all you need to know how to install MySQL 8.0.36 server and Workbench. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.